Okay, normally I don't post this kind of stuff on YouTube, but just give you an example of reality versus fiction. This is a movie called Shelter. It came out 2026, and the guys live on the Outer Hebrides, which is I actually do relocations for people, and I do use the Outer Hebrides to relocate people. I would not put a big boulder and hope someone stands in just the right place and the rope won't rot to drag someone into the ocean. It looks good on camera. It's not realistic. The practical thing, the first call that I do with stuff like this is I give people one of these. It's a cat training toy that's been modified to give a wider beam. That way, if someone does come at you, you can blind them in under normal circumstances. If they're wearing night vision and you use that on them in the dark, there's a 90% chance they will be rendered unconscious. Just a little bit of a reality check.